Whatever you need, whenever you need, we've got you. As your fabrication partner, we bring your creative concepts to life and transform simple spaces into places to connect, learn, and play. For every brand experience and every visual communication, we step in to make your design intent a reality. Our experts are your experts, and our capabilities are yours to embrace. From materials to technology, automation to craftsmanship, we've got it all. 180,000 square feet of in-house manufacturing, color match printing with web-to-print workflows and 5-meter capabilities, all linked within 20 integrated departments. Thousands of materials, hundreds of substrates, and world-class print. Custom paint and cutting equipment. We are ready to execute your vision across the US, UK, and Europe. You name it, we do it. Struggling with shorter lead times? We've got fast-track systems to meet your challenge. Installation keeping you up at night? We've developed frame and fabric systems that make execution turnkey. Trying to deliver on innovation? We have the experts to build custom, tailored experiences. We know a lot goes into realizing good design. When we collaborate, costs go down, excitement goes up, and results are nothing short of amazing. Moss. We are placemakers.